madam.
Sir, last time notice, I was instructed to give the notice, and Wakalatnama has been filed on behalf of the respondent,
Ji.
but nobody has appeared today.
Despite filing of Wakalatnama, nobody is appearing for the respondent. क्या इसको मिस्टर मानस मनी
हेलो
इसको क्या बार काउंसिल को रिफर करते हैं क्या?
मिस्टर बख्शी इज देयर
तो क्या करें हम, कहाँ ढूंढने जाए उनको?
पहले थे था
रिस्पोंडेंट इज प्रोसीडेड एक्स पार्टी. चलिए बताइए, अब ऑर्डर बताइए.
Sir, actually, मैंने
क्या ऑर्डर है? इम्प्यूग्ड ऑर्डर.
impugned order is sir, my lord, page 14,
हाँ.
last para. आवेदिका ने एक अन्य आवेदन पत्र अंतर्गत धारा 10 सेपरेट 14 कुटुंब न्यायालय अधिनियम आईए नंबर 4/24 इस आशय का प्रस्तुत किया है कि अनावेदक के लखनऊ में पड़ोस के फ्लैट नंबर 303 बी में निवासरत विशालाक्षी गुप्ता से अवैध संबंध हैं। आवेदिका ने विशालाक्षी गुप्ता के मोबाइल नंबर, जिसे उसने अपने पंजाब नेशनल बैंक शाखा लखनऊ के खाते से भी लिंक करा रखा है, उससे संबंधित स्क्रीनशॉट भी पेश किए गए हैं। अतः विशालाक्षी गुप्ता के मोबाइल नंबर और उसके पंजाब नेशनल बैंक शाखा लखनऊ के खाते की जांच क्रमशः एयरटेल ऑपरेटर पंजाब नेशनल बैंक शाखा कटनी एवं आयकर विभाग कटनी से कराए जाने का अनुरोध किया है। आवेदन के समर्थन में आवेदिका ने स्वयं का शपथ पत्र पेश किया है। प्रश्नशील आवेदन का अनावेदक की ओर से इस आधार पर लिखित विरोध किया गया कि वह विशालाक्षी गुप्ता को नहीं जानता पहचानता नहीं है, उसका विशालाक्षी गुप्ता से कोई संबंध नहीं है। अज्ञात महिला के मोबाइल और पैन कार्ड को बिना प्रमाण के मात्र स्क्रीनशॉट के आधार पर प्रकरण में लिया जाना उचित नहीं है, क्योंकि उक्त दस्तावेजों का कोई
petitioner is aggrieved of the order dated 27/11/2024 passed by learned
Family Court
Principal Judge, Family Court Katni, whereby learned Principal Judge has rejected an application IA number
4/24
4/24 under section
10
within bracket
subsection 3
of you were reading on page number
sir 14.
And read with section 14 of the Family Court Act, the Family Court Act, seeking investigation in regard to the screenshots which were filed by the petitioner herein, seeking all details from the service provider, namely Airtel, and from the Punjab National Bank branch at Katni, but that application is rejected on the ground that merely on the basis of a screenshot such procedure cannot be adopted. Next where on perusal of the provisions contained in section 10 read with section 14, it is evident that the provisions of the Family Court Act are beneficial in nature. Full stop. Petitioner, आपने फाइल किया divorce petition?
सर दोनों ने फाइल किया, पहले मैंने किया फिर काउंटर उनके द्वारा।
Petitioner has filed divorce petition on the ground of adultery. Full stop. Evidence of adultery is usually indirect, and therefore when there are direct allegations in regard to petition respondent being in relationship with one person who is mentioned in the order and said to be resident of flat number 303B residing in the neighborhood of the respondent, then mechanically rejecting the application cannot be given a seal of approval. Impugned order is set aside. IA 4/24 is allowed. Let necessary details be called for from the concerned service provider, that is the Airtel operator, and also from the manager of the Punjab National Bank. कहाँ का है? लखनऊ की कौन सी ब्रांच का है?
Sir, Hazratganj.
हजरतगंज ब्रांच, लखनऊ. Petition is allowed and disposed of. चलिए. 112 क्या है?
सर जो स्क्रीनशॉट्स लगाए थे उसको एग्जिबिट नहीं करने दिया था उसको.
उसके लिए आपने 65B का सर्टिफिकेट लगाया था क्या?
जी, yes, lordship.
कहाँ है 65B का सर्टिफिकेट?
Sir, I have not filed with the petition. If I will be allowed, I will
कर
file.
दीजिए, इसको फाइल कर दीजिए.
Yes, lordship.
Petitioner in person, none for the respondents, though name of the council is council are appearing in the cause list. As nobody is appearing for the respondent is proceeded ex parte. Next paragraph. Petitioner's grievance is that the screenshots which were filed by her have not been allowed to be exhibited. Full stop. She submits that she had filed a certificate under section 65B of the Evidence Act along with the screenshots. Full stop. However, such certificate is not available on record. Full stop. Let certified copy of the certificate which was filed before the learned family court judge be produced before this court within कितने दिन में करेंगी?
Sir, after a week.
Within 10 days, list thereafter. List thereafter on 30 जनवरी 2025. Next case क्या है?
Sir, in this, my amendment application under Order 6, Rule 17 was rejected
On the ground.
on the ground that it was presented during the trial.
क्या एप्लीकेशन है आपकी 617 की?
Sir, application is Lordship P3, page 30. That
एक सेकंड. ये वन वही है, proceeded ex parte. Petitioner is aggrieved of the order dated 27/11/2024 passed by learned Principal Judge Family Court Katni rejecting an application under Order 6 Rule 17 CPC. Full stop. On perusal of the application for amendment, यही order है ना 27/11/24 का?
yes, Lordship, page 17.
Perusal of the application under Order 6 Rule 17, it is evident that it is clarifactory in nature and will not change the relief claimed or the nature of the pleadings, and therefore the impugned order passed by the learned family Principal Judge Family Court being cryptic is set aside. Amendment application is allowed. Let amendment be carried out within 3 working days. Within 3 working days from the date of receipt of certified copy of the order, trial court to proceed in accordance with law. Petition is allowed and disposed of.
Sir, in MP 6743, the court has granted me the stay in the proceeding in the trial court.
आप प्रोड्यूस कर दीजिए ना.
Okay.
65B का सर्टिफिकेट तो प्रोड्यूस करिए पहले आप.
So, sir, in that IR to continue.
IR to continue.